What if I told you that most people don't stay broke because they earn too little? They stay broke because of a few small money mistakes they repeat every single month. The good news? These mistakes are completely fixable. In today's video, you'll discover 8 common money mistakes that quietly drain your wealth and what you should do instead. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Living without a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear on its own. A simple monthly budget helps you stay in control. Mistake number 2. Buying things to impress others. Many people spend money to look rich instead of becoming rich. Real wealth is built through smart financial decisions, not expensive appearances. Mistake number 3. Not saving first. Most people save whatever is left after spending. Successful people do the opposite. They save first and spend what's left. Mistake number 4. Ignoring emergency savings. Unexpected expenses happen to everyone. Aim to build an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Mistake number 5. Carrying high-interest debt. Credit card debt can grow quickly because of high interest. Paying it down early can save you a significant amount of money. Mistake number 6. Never investing. Keeping all your money in a savings account may not keep up with inflation. Starting to invest early gives your money more time to grow. Mistake number 7. Lifestyle inflation. As income increases, many people immediately increase their spending. Instead, increase your savings and investments before upgrading your lifestyle. Mistake number 8. Waiting for the perfect time. Many people delay taking action because they think they'll start later. The best time to improve your finances is today, even if you start small. Building wealth isn't about being perfect. It's about avoiding common mistakes and making better choices consistently. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Wealth Avenue, and turn on notifications for more practical money tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.